Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So tonight we've got an American Bass SQ6.9. This is one that I found online, decided because of the specs that I wanted to try out, see how she does. So a little bit about the speaker itself. It's got a woven carbon glass fiber cone. It's got a butyl rubber suspension around the outside of it. Has a 1 1/4 inch aluminum voice coil. It's got a 1 inch mid-range, 1/2 inch tweeter. It's a 4 ohm 6x9. It's got a 100 watt RMS with a 200 watt max. Frequency hertz on this is what I really like. It's 40 hertz all the way up to 22K. So it should have some pretty decent bass. And sensitivity, kind of loud at 92 decibels. So let's take a quick go around. Very large 40 ounce magnet. Very sturdy. Very well made. I'm very impressed with this. I wish it had push buttons. That would be a little better. This is a little flimsy, as most of them are. I really don't like that. Prefer the push buttons. You can see the filters inside there, I hope, for the tweeters and the mid-range. Hopefully they'll do some good, not blow stuff up when we throw the bass at it. But overall, pretty impressed with just the build quality of it. It's not real tight, but it's not real loose either. It's kind of, I'm thinking it's going to do pretty good. So, unfortunately, you're going to have to wait until I move this box out of the way. Here we go. Are we ready? Let's get down with the American Bass SQ6x9.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, Black Betty. Whoa, Black Betty. Black Betty had a child. Don't think gonna wild. She's always ready. She's all rock steady. Whoa, Black Betty. Yeah, Black Betty.
Okay, so I gotta say I'm pretty impressed with that. And let's see if I can get this in here. We banged a 106 from about, that thing's a further back than I normally have it, so maybe 4 feet. Normally I have it at 3.5, so that's about 4 feet. And that is a 24 volt, 5 amp hour battery on a 1001U that is not summed. The H1 has not been soldered. The bass and treble were at 75%. Volume on the amp and volume on my phone were at 100%. I did hear a little reverberation kind of, but it's probably because that's not sealed in there. It's just got a rubber seal around it and a couple of screws that are loose, so it might have been leaking a little air. But other than that, man, that was pretty impressive. I'm impressed, and at a price range of just under 95 bucks, not a bad choice. It is not waterproof, just so you know, not a marine speaker. So there you go, the American Bass SQ6.9. Hope you enjoyed it.